today's video. Hey fam, and welcome back to my channel. I know, long time no here, but I am coming back with the New Year's with another recipe. And in today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious, super moist butter pecan banana bread bundt cake. It is super delicious, and I'm telling you guys, it is super easy to make. So follow along as I show you guys how to make it. So the first thing we're going to do is mash up our bananas, and you want to make sure they are ripened. I got some like 3-day-old bananas, but I may do. What y'all been up to? I know it's been a while since I last been up on here, and let me explain. A sister had to have 2 jobs, and it took up a lot of my time. So I know you guys out there that's mothers and wives and stuff out there understand when you guys got to get to that bag. So y'all do forgive me for my absence. And while I was running my mouth, I forgot to mention you would like to follow the exact recipe on the box of the cake mix. And what I already did was add the eggs, and now I'm going to be adding the milk. And we're just going to give all of our wet ingredients a good mix. And don't worry, as I always mention in the beginning of my videos, I will leave all this information down in the description box so you guys can follow along. Now we're just going to dump in our butter pecan cake mix to our wet ingredients, and we're just going to give everything a good blend. And for the sake of me trying to save money, this is a budget friendly recipe, so everything is under $10, so it's very affordable. If I can, I would try to leave the link to all the ingredients and everything I use. That way it's easier for you to find and easier for you to buy. Once all of the ingredients is incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add our pecans, which I lightly chopped up, but you can already buy them chopped. It's optional. We're just going to whisk this all together so that way we can have a pecan in every bite. I mean, that's at least how I like to eat mine. So now in our buttered bundt cake tin, we're going to go ahead and add our mix into our pan. And I already have my oven on 350, so you want to make sure to have the oven preheating while you're making your mix. That way it can cut off on some time. Now we're going to place our cake in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, just until the cake is nice and bouncy. And then in the meantime, we're going to get started with our cream cheese frosting. So for our cream cheese frosting, we're just going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now we're just going to cream our cream cheese until it gets nice and airy, and it should look something like this. Once our cream cheese gets to this point, we're going to go ahead and add our vanilla extract. And slowly we're going to start by adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. And you want to make sure you gradually add this in. Now we're going to continue to mix until it gets nice and airy, and then we're going to just put this into a piping bag. You guys seen plenty of videos of me making this, so if you would like, I will leave all that information down below and you can reference that video. So now that our bundt cake is out of the oven and we gave it some time to cool down, we're going to go ahead and flip this over, and it should come right on out. With it being slightly warm, we're going to go ahead and let it cool down. But once it cooled down, we're going to go ahead and add our cream cheese frosting. And you guys, this should start drizzling off the sides. So that's why I like to begin by making swirls at the top. That way it can slowly start dripping off at the sides. And lastly, we're just going to garnish it off with some chopped pecans, like so, and you could add just as many as you like. And if you guys can do me a favor and get this video a like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, I surely do appreciate it. I am trying to get my viewer count back up, so it really does help when you guys like the video. So again, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I do appreciate all my subscribers and all the people that's new coming in. Deep inside and you was broken, but I was on the other side and didn't notice. I won't waste no time. I won't waste my time. Once it's all done, it should look something like this. And guys, when I tell you my kitchen was smelling so good, the kids kept coming over the stairs asking when was I gonna be done with dessert. It came out so good and moist. This was a super fun and easy recipe to make, and it was super affordable. I mean, less than $10. So if it's something you would like to make, I will definitely suggest adding this to your baking book. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for sticking in there. I know you guys ain't seen me in a while, but just know I am there in spirit. Until the next video, you guys stay safe out there and peace. But I was on the other side and didn't notice.